Hello, I am Chris Menard. I'm a Microsoft MVP for both Copilot and for Teams. It is May 23rd. A new feature is rolled out in the Teams desktop. It is the ability to have a muted chat section automatically created. And this ties into your meeting chats. So let me show you where this is located in case you don't like this feature. Over on the far left, I've already clicked on chats. Favorites is already there. Chats is always going to be there. I created a section for training. I'm just letting you know you can make your own sections. But the meeting chats I didn't make, and I didn't make this muted, which is brand new. So here's how this works. I'm going to come up to the three dots and go down to customize list. That'll take you into your team settings over here on the far left. And by default, you'll land on chats and channels. I am scrolling down just a little bit. Perfect. I'm going to stop right here. Chats and channels, look at all the different options I have. The third and fourth one says show meeting chats in their own section. I have that one turned on. But the new feature that I just got is show muted items in their own section. I'll be honest, when I got the notification, it was one of those pop-ups in Teams. I can't recall if it was turned on or off automatically, but I came here and I can't remember if I had to turn it on or not, but I'm going to leave it running to show you how this works. So back over into my chats. Let me pull up my meeting chats. Just letting you know this, all of these are unmuted by default. Here is a test Zoom AI companion. Let's say I don't want to be notified about any more notifications. I'll expand muted to. Right now, my muted has one. Back to my test Zoom. Let me mute that. Watch it drop down into my muted. I'm actually loving this a lot because this is just me. I love to chat during a meeting, but when that meeting is over and I have left, well, the chat's still available to my coworkers, and sometimes they will chat a lot afterwards while I'm trying to either work on something else, and I find it distracting, so I'll frequently mute it. I like having this muted section here. Again, you could always come here, go back to customize view, and turn that off just to prove it works. Now I don't have that muted section. They're all under my meeting chats. I'm going to go turn it on one more time. So I need to show you something important. So show muted items in their own section. What it doesn't say when I was under settings to do this, I'm going to expand my favorites. Here's my chat with Carol Wilson, which I don't care if you see or not. This is all just fictitious information. If I want to mute my chat with Carol Wilson and hit mute, you may be expecting it to drop down into the muted section. Well, guess what? It doesn't. It looks like this is only for meeting chats. So I'm going to do this again, click, and I'm going to unmute that. So just something to remember. It looks like it's only for meeting chats, but I really do like it having its own section. Thank you for your time. My Teams training is available online along with my Excel, Copilot, and OneNote. Have a great day. Thank you.